Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke, and if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would do so and become a part of my little nail art family here at YouTube. But yeah, for today it is time for a new nail polish of the week video. I tend to do those once a week, hence the name nail polish of the week video. But yeah, first up you want to start off with the base coat, and I'm going in with one of my favorites, one I've been using a lot lately, which is the smoothing base coat by Holo Taco. I pretty much am a big fan. It isn't like a super special like base coat or anything like that, but it just works nicely. It gives a nice like smooth finish, but still with like a little bit of like a very soft texture, so the nail polish actually has something to adhere to or cling on to, if you know what I mean. It really makes sure that my manicure lasts a really long time, and that is pretty much why I love using it. Oh, and for the record, I had already applied off camera another layer of a base coat, because I love to like mix and match different base coats to make sure that my nails won't get stained pretty badly because of darker or highly pigmented colors that I use. So yeah, that's why the other nails already had like a shiny surface on them. That's just because I used another base coat up first. I really don't know which one it was. I think it was one by Essence and the anti-split one or something like that. Again, nothing special, it's just an extra layer, an extra protection barrier for any staining that might happen. But yeah, just apply your base coat to your clean nails if it is your first coat, and otherwise make sure that the other layer of base coat is already dry, or at least completely dry before you go in with the next, to make sure you don't have to wait like ages before your nail polish is completely dry and you won't get any dents and stuff like that. And of course, make sure to cap off the edges to prolongate your wear time. But then, the color I'm using in this video, or at least for this specific nail polish of the week video, is one by Zoya. I just recently discovered this brand, or not really discovered, of course I've known this brand for a couple of years, but I just recently got my own bunch of bottles and I am so impressed. Like, they are a little more expensive than your drugstore polishes, but they are vegan, they are cruelty free. They don't contain like 9 of those hazardous chemicals you don't want to have in your nail polishes, and they just have really nice quality. To be honest, I do have like the smaller, like not really wide brushes for my bottles, but if you're not into the really small, like narrow brushes, you can definitely go out to any Zoya like seller or web store or anything like that and just buy the more wide brushes if you're more into that. To be honest, I love to kind of switch it up a little bit and just keep my skills high with wider and not wide brushes, so that is why I just keep them the way they are. And of course, I'm like, this is just a decent brush, it works, why would I change it up? It's more of like a personal preference thing whether or not you're going to switch it up. But this color is Tieran. I'm not quite sure if I mentioned it because I pretty much forgot to show you the bottom of the bottle where the name of the polish is on. But it is a really nice like medium to dark gray color, perfect for this fall time, perfect to do nail art with as well. And it pretty much is a decent first coat, I have to say. And of course, once again, don't forget to cap off the edges to make sure you don't have any tip wear or any chipping whatsoever. But this color, I pretty much like it. It is one of those colors that you can pretty much wear all year round, but especially for fall, I love using gray tones. And it's really nice as like a background color, or even for like some small little color details. I just think it's a really nice color. It isn't like super warm or super cool undertone in my opinion. I feel like it is quite a neutral gray, which means that it will suit a lot of different skin tones as well, which is a big plus in my opinion, because especially not everyone knows what kind of like undertone they have in their skin, and sometimes it can be kind of like difficult to actually choose a polish that will suit your skin. Of course, just try out a bunch of different ones. Look at the color of the veins in your hands or on your body or anything like that to figure out whether or not you're a neutral undertone, a cool or a warmer undertone. Like personally, I am a pretty cool undertone kind of girl because my veins are pretty blue. So yeah, I'm quite pale as well, even though it doesn't really show up in most of my videos because I record with a lot of like not natural lighting. And of course, using specific nail polish colors can make your skin look more tan than it actually is. But I am quite pale. Anyone who knows me like personally or has seen me in person knows that I'm pretty pale. At work, they even call me glow in the dark sometimes because I am that pale and I just don't tan naturally that easily. But yeah, that's a whole other story. But here I'm already applying the second layer, and with that second layer, it is pretty much like perfectly opaque. This polish is quite self-leveling. The only thing I would want to like share with you guys is to not overwork the polish, because I feel like if you like overwork it too much, like apply too much pressure onto the brush or just apply too many brush strokes, it will show up even though you have applied a top coat. It's not with every single color that I've tried from Zoya so far, but for this particular color I feel like it is best to just apply it smoothly and don't overwork it. But yeah, I pretty much love this color. I'm really curious to hear what you think about this color as well. Is it the color that you would like to wear? Or just let me know in the comments down below what your favorite nail polish color is, like apart from this entire like gray based video. But of course, to finish off this entire nail polish of the week video and the application, I am going in with a top coat. This one is by Essence Cosmetics. It is vegan, it is cruelty free. It is really inexpensive as well. Like the Holo Taco base and top coats are like $11 or $12 if I'm correct. The Zoya polish, if I would buy it here in the Netherlands at any random like online store, it will be around 15 euros, which is not inexpensive in my opinion. But the base and top coats and pretty much every single polish that Essence Cosmetics comes out with is below 3 euros. So that is pretty nice. I do think that this top coat was even below 2 euros, but don't pin me down on that. I'm not quite sure what the price was of this one because I do buy quite a lot. But I pretty much love them. They always have really nice quality. They apply really nicely as well. And yeah, it is pretty much, when it comes to like base and top coats, it's really like what is your personal preference? What do you need for your nails? Like every person's nails and hands are different. Not even talking about the job you do. Do you have a manual job? Are you typing all day? Are you like me, like running around with heavy construction materials? Like it really depends on each and every single person what kind of base or top coat works best for them. So don't be scared to actually try out some different ones, and the same goes for nail polishes as well. If you don't like it, you don't think it's pretty enough, or it's just not your thing, just remove it. It's just nail polish. But yeah, this was actually already the entire nail polish of the week video for this week. Once again, this one is Zoya Tieran. I think it's a really cool color, really cool for nail art as well. And yeah, I'm pretty curious to hear what you think about this color. Also, I hope you're all having a really good fall season so far. Have a lot of fun and of course stay safe, sound and healthy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it, and once again I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.